Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Tembele Hlengwenya. I go by the name of Lihle Croc on all my social media platforms. And to all my new subscribers, welcome home, new subbies. And to all my returning subscribers, thank you so much for tuning in again. So today guys, I've decided to do my pedicure at home. So what I have is the food salt. So I have added that food salt into my water. My water was warm guys, and this foot spa machine, I have connected it in. I've actually plugged it so that it will massage my feet. So when I was done, ngathatha this kit, and then I've used a cuticle pusher to cut my nails and to push my cuticles so that I have a righty guys. Righty. And then mangiqeda, I've plugged my machine, my pedicure spa machine. I plug guys, and then you see the bubbles. My feet felt so good guys, because that day, oh my god, my feet were very sore. So when I was done, and then I've used Lily Copper guys, I bought this from Discam. Ngase ngiyakhuhla inyawo zami ngaphansi ukuthi ziphume that bacteria and all the dirt guys, because I wanted to make sure ukuthi ngiyenza konke oku-right, because once ufake inyawo zakho inside water, the water with salt, you can even use the coarse salt guys. Coarse salt is used to so many things, and it helps with a lot of things. So once usoka inyawo zakho inside there, muscles keeper, then you see that everything, all the bacterias siyabonakala on your feet. So yeah, so now I am busy like scrubbing and filing my nails, and I've also filed under my feet, and I've also used this small brush. The small brush, it helps ukuthi keep the dirt inside my nails, because I didn't cut all of my nails, so I left them so that my French pedicure would look so good. Because if it's short, if the pedicure, the French pedicure it has short nails, it's never looked good, because I've tried it once, so it was not looking nice. It was not looking good guys. So and then I've also filed under my feet with this copper that I bought from Edis Camo. I did it on my right feet as well guys. This water felt so good. It was like I can keep my feet inside this water, for the longest of time. But anyway, so when I was done, then I used my towel to just wipe my feet. You see how beautiful my nails looks like. Wow, look at my feet. Wow, my velvet feet. Oh wow guys, so when I was done, I've used this cuticle oil. I bought this from Planet Nails guys. They have a lot of things. So this cuticle oil guys that I'm using, it increases and it circulates around my nails, and it stimulates my nails for ukuthi zigrowe kahle, and it softens the cuticles guys. And yeah, and then manqeda, I did the same with my other feet. I've put the cuticle as well, and then when I was done, I've used the nail sponge. It's soft guys. It separates the fingers, the fingers, so that asihlangani when I put the nail polish. It comforts them, and then it prevents uguti when I'm putting my nail polish bese seziyahlangana and mess up with each other. So I've started with this clear coat, the top coat, and then for both of my feet. And then when I was done, I've used this white nail polish to finish up my French pedicure. So I hope you guys are still enjoying my video, and please let me know if you would like me to do more videos for my French pedicure, or any other videos that you would like me to do for you guys, so that I show you how I do my nails differently, because I have different styles that I can show you. You can also use papers. You can cut papers nicely and put them on your on each of the nails, on each of the fingers, when you busy putting on your white polish. So guys, please do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And to all those that haven't subscribed, please guys, may you subscribe, and not watching the videos without subscribing. If you don't like my videos, then I would understand for you not to subscribe. So subscribing helps you to give the notification when I post my other videos. So when I was done putting on all the white polish, I have also put cuticle oil. Thank you so much for watching.